Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to work on TallyPrime releases and TallyPrime Edit Log Release 2.1 or its later versions on the same system. You will understand the process of installing TallyPrime Edit Log Release 2.1 or its later versions and migrate data in different scenarios. On the Tally Solutions download portal, you can download any of the applications, TallyPrime or TallyPrime Edit Log, based on your requirement. If your business falls under the purview of Ministry of Corporate Affairs or MCA's Audit Trail Compliance requirement, then you will need to download and install TallyPrime Edit Log. If you already have TallyPrime or Tally ERP9 license, you can use the same license to upgrade to TallyPrime Edit Log. TallyPrime has also ensured that the activity of installing the Edit Log product and migrating the data of older applications do not affect your company data. The size of your data increases based on the increase in the number of modifications done to the transaction and masters, as the system creates the copy of the data to produce the version history. This video will also help you understand the changes that happen when you migrate the data. Now, let us get familiar with the installation and data migration scenarios related to TallyPrime Edit Log Release 2.1 and its later versions. First, let us see how to install TallyPrime Edit Log. There can be three different scenarios when you are installing TallyPrime. Scenario 1. You are a new user. In this case, you will need to perform the licensing and initial setup processes. You can watch our videos how to install TallyPrime and how to activate license in TallyPrime on YouTube. Now, double-click on the setup file. There is a default path for the application. You can change it if needed. Scenario 2. You already have one TallyPrime application in your system. Double-click on the setup file and you will be directed to the Update TallyPrime screen. Click More Actions and you will see an option to install a new application. We recommend that you install a new application rather than updating an existing one. It will enable you to have both the applications in your system. You can see the default path for the application. You can configure the path as per your requirement. Scenario 3. You have TallyPrime Release 2.1 and you want to upgrade to TallyPrime Edit Log. It may be possible that you had mistakenly downloaded TallyPrime Release 2.1 and now want to upgrade to TallyPrime Edit Log. Double-click on the setup file of TallyPrime Edit Log that you can clearly identify based on the presence of the text EL in it. You can see that all the applications are listed. Now, let us consider that you want to update TallyPrime Release 2.1. You can see that the default path of the version is the same path of the existing application. Press I or click Update to update. As you can see, a message appears to inform you that you are updating a TallyPrime application to TallyPrime Edit Log. It is important to note that all the application settings will be preserved. For instance, if you had saved any report views in the application, the same will get carried forward to TallyPrime Edit Log. Press Y or click Yes to accept. Press S or click Start Application to start the application. The companies are listed and you will need to migrate the data. If your companies are preloaded, then also you will need to migrate the data. Let's see how the data migration works. Open the product. As you can see, the logo of Edit Log is clearly visible in the splash screen. You can see Edit Log in the top left corner. You can now see the label Migration Required against companies. Bring the cursor to the company you want to open and press enter. The message says that TallyPrime will start creating edit log for all activities that you will perform after migration. Press R or click migrate. Moreover, if the method of voucher numbering in any voucher type is set to automatic, then the method will change to automatic manual override. However, voucher numbers will remain intact. A change in voucher number due to the change of date to an older date, insertion or deletion creates an edit log. Changing the method of voucher numbering to automatic manual override ensures that the voucher number does not change due to such activities, and edit log does not get created for the affected vouchers. It is important to note that when you migrate the data of TallyPrime Release 2.1 with edit log disabled to TallyPrime edit log, you will get the same message. You can, however, set the method of voucher numbering to automatic if needed. Go to Alter, Voucher Type, Sales. As you can see, the method of voucher numbering is automatic manual override. Now, let's open Daybook. Press Alt G, type or select Daybook and press enter. You can see the voucher number of all vouchers. Now, press Alt G, type or select saved views and press enter. The view saved in the data will get carried forward just like other configurations in the company. As you saw, upgrading to TallyPrime edit log is a seamless process. You can install a new release or update an old Tally release to TallyPrime edit log. You will load and install both the products if you are a chartered accountant who manages and audits data of MCA compliant and other companies, or you own a business with multiple companies, some of which are not MCA compliant. You can easily distinguish both the products based on the appearance of the setup file, flash screen, while you open the product, and the presence and absence of the text edit log on the top left corner in the product. You can migrate data of any TallyPrime release to TallyPrime edit log release and vice versa. This enables you to work on TallyPrime edit log and TallyPrime releases both in the same system. Thank you. To know more about the features in Tally products, visit help.tallysolutions.com.